So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight I will be giving you guys a very quick update about Shelly and Fraser Pryce. Now there's a very good news, there's a very happy news, and in the athletics whole entire community. Now a very good news recently spread out across social media, and in this video what I'll be doing is explaining what you need to know about Shelly and Fraser Pryce next coming race. So before we go to the main title of this video, which is Shelly next race, in case this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, do me a favor to make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. So like I said, there is actually a very happy news right now. Shelly and Fraser Pryce, one of the best Jamaican sprinter, is set to make her first season opener and also first season appearance at her upcoming race, and this is all the details you need to know about this race. So a news broke out recently saying the most anticipated season opener is here. Shelly and Fraser Pryce is set to open up her 2024 season tomorrow at the JAA Olympic French Foray 3 in Kingston. The 37-year-old last competed almost 10 months ago in Budapest, where she sustained an injury. So according to this article, Shelly and Fraser Pryce will be making her first season opener tomorrow at the JAA Olympic French Foray 3 in Kingston. And this race is going to be amazing because a lot of people have missed Shelly and Fraser Pryce so much, because the last time she raced was after the Budapest World Athletic. From that date, she could not participate in any race in the 2024 season, and she finally racing has caused draw a lot of attention to her, and people can't wait to see which time she is actually going to start her season in opener with. What time do you think Shelly will blast at the JAA Olympic Foray? Let me hear your opinion in the comment section.